Hey, it's the beginning of the year, so we're going to do beginning of the year tutorials, which is really just quick tips. Today I wanted to show you the eraser tool. If you have never opened Illustrator before, open it. Open it and do this with me. It'll be really fun and very easy. Today's will only take a couple of minutes. So come over to your paintbrush tool. If you've opened up a document, doesn't even matter what size document, just choose something. Click on your paintbrush tool and I want you to take it and just paint all over the artboard. Like that. You notice I'm just squiggling everywhere. Your kids are going to love this. Especially if I'm using a bamboo tablet, a very old one, and it's worked really good. Okay, so I'm just painting everywhere. So I'm going to show you the eraser tool. If you come over to your eraser tool and you double click on it, you'll get this menu. Okay, this menu allows you to change the size. You can get a really big eraser or something very small. I'm going to keep it in the 20s just so you guys can see what I'm doing. You can change the roundness, you can change the angle, super easy, okay? Push OK. Now, if I were to just start erasing, I want you to see that it will just suddenly start erasing everything, okay? But if I take my selection tool, which is your black arrow tool, which is at the top of this toolbar, I don't know why I called it a belt. Okay, select something so it's highlighted, and you'll notice if I come back down to my eraser tool and I try to erase anywhere, you'll notice that nothing is actually erasing. The only thing that will erase is what's highlighted in blue. So if I come up here, you'll notice that my blue line is being erased. But if I try to erase anywhere else, it will not. This is powerful. If you're doing an illustration and say you're just working on the hat portion of a little girl and you want to take the hat off, or you want to fix a portion of the hat and you need to erase it, you can select that one piece and erase it, and you don't have to worry that you're going over her eyes or forehead or whatever because it's not highlighted. So you don't have to worry about it being lost, essentially. So that's your quick tip today. I actually think this is fun, especially when you get out the paintbrush and you're playing around with the eraser. This is a great way to just get a feel for Illustrator, because the point is for you to feel really comfortable with it. Especially if you end up deciding you want to really learn a specific craft, which is what I do on my KarinaGardnerCourses.com site. We're learning how to be a fabric designer or a paper designer or a silhouette designer. Like, it's very, very specific. And while beginners are meant for those courses, it's nice if you've opened up Illustrator just once and you've kind of played with it a little bit, because then you get a feel for what you're really going to be doing in those courses. So if you're not part of my courses VIP group, you should be. It's totally free. I send you guys workshops. We just finished 12 Days of Christmas. Did I say workshops? Worksheets. I send you guys worksheets and quizzes and other things to help you along your journey, along with tutorials every single week. So you can join that at KarinaGardner.com, and I will see you guys later.